Ba? Parang nagpapafacial sa spa. Yan, ginagayan. Mamassage mo yung baby chin. Mahal lang gagawin. Yan, okay. Tapos, sa back naman, parang yung nagmamassage. Ay, by the way, ang baby okay lang yan na nakaba, pero nakaganyan. Hindi naman ganyan. Ganyan, ha? Parang yung nagmamasahe ng malaking tao. Sa gilid ng spine. Huwag sa spine. Kasi medyo malambot pa yung spine. So, shoulder, spine, ganyan. Okay. Ngayon, yung baby, yung arms niya, there's a technique called milking. It's like milking a cow. So, diba? Yan. Parang ka nagpipisil-pisilin. Yan. Tapos, meron ding stroke na tinatawag na rolling. Dito. Medyo ginaganyan. Marag lang naman, huwag naman dislocate. Ganyan lang, ganyan. Yan. Massage. Okay. Yan. Tapos, kahit sa babies, meron tayong tinatawag na reflexology. I mean, kung tayo may mga shiatsu, Swedish, may mga Thai massage, stone massage, sila meron din sila. Meron din ng reflexology. Yung mga points, sorry, hindi ako reflexology, hindi ko na matuturo. But there are certain points here. Ito, alam ko itong head ito. Yung finger sinuses. Ito, stomach. Yan. Yan yung mga points sa natin. In fact, yan o, ito heart yan. Kaya minsan, di ba, pagpagod na pagod tayo, bibisilin mo lang yan. Tapos ito, stomach. Ito, head. Ito yung mga sinuses. Di ba masarap yung mga gilid-gilid yan. Diyan yung mga, natin, yung mga points. So there, it's basically how you massage your baby after they take a bath. Tapos nagyan mo siya ng what have you, powder or lotion, that's how you massage. They feel better. They're more relaxed, and you can expect a good quality sleep from the baby. Do you massage your baby? Yes, di ba? Kaya nga di ba may mga spa for kids na? Because they feel better. I think to me, more importantly, it is because of that. It's a bond between you and your kids. Two, it promotes good health, and it can improve your mental and physical well-being. So it's very important to actually massage them. Actually,